Hi, my name is Tanja Sadow and welcome to the JDMIS. That's the Jewelry Design and Management International School. Over 100,000 watched our design video on YouTube, and we had a lot of requests asking for, well, what happens after the design? How can that design then be produced? So today I thought I would take you into the JDMIS workshop and have a sneak peek at what the metalsmithing students enjoy when they are taking either the certificate program or if they're taking the diploma program with us. So follow me and we're going into the Jade room. This is one of my favorite rooms because it has so many tools, it has everything you need. When a student comes here, they get to keep their own bench. It's filled with all of the tools and equipment that they will need to do their projects. You get very good written information. You have wonderful instruction from the instructors. You make great projects, lots of projects with setting stones and all kinds of different things that are possible. And then you get the chance to use lots of tools. So many tools, you can have the opportunity to try them out first before you buy tools. There are so many different interesting things, and it's probably one of the coolest rooms in the place. So now we should have a look and see how is that piece of jewelry made. Here's a fun project which takes only 2 hours to make. These are some of the steps involved. Hello, we're going to do some metalsmithing today. Now, metalsmithing is really exciting, a lot of fun. But before you get started, there are some rules and regulations for safety. And we're very particular because we want you to be safe, not only here, but when you go home, you need to be safe as well. So, first and foremost, the clothes. Your clothes should be tight-fitting, not too loose, and certainly no long sleeves or draping. No scarves. So if you've got scarves, those all go away. The next thing you can do is to protect your clothes a little bit, and wearing an apron is a good idea. It doesn't really matter what apron. It can be a cooking apron is absolutely fine. So we're going to put this on. It'll protect your clothes from the acid sometimes if it splashes. Otherwise you end up with some holes in your clothes. So as long as you're comfortable clothes that are not too loose and nothing dangling. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the hair, and if you have long hair, then very important, tie it back, get a scrunchie, and make sure it's well behind. Because when you're working with rotary tools and when you're working with fire, we don't want your hair to get in the way. Then shoes. It's not much use to use high heels or open shoes. You would be much better to use a pair of closed shoes that are low. The closed shoes are to prevent if the metal falls or if something hot falls and it goes between your toes on open shoes, that could be very uncomfortable. So even though I'm a bit shorter, now is much better off for doing the metalsmithing. And last but not least, we need to have some protective glasses. Your eyes are your most important feature. Without your eyes, you can't do metalsmithing and you can't do anything else. So we are going to make sure that we protect our eyes with the glasses. Good. So we've got the bench, we've got the tools. We're now, with the safety, we are ready to